Jingle bell all the way. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. I'm a dollar, oh.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up on yourself first and foremost. I will on there with the latest mix up and mix downs. And today I want to tell you, Merry Christmas. And please subscribe for the new year. And you know, guys, after all, talking about the Christmas, I want everybody stay safe as when you can see. There's on curfew. Hours, 7 o'clock. Please do not breach that time. Anyways,
I look a bit fun. I know plenty. Thou shall not breach the curfew inside in my pen. Took a work.
Yeah, people. Besides that though, everything seems to be going good, nice and easy. See the spice having a good day after all we should been through said way. So we all can also, yes I mean. So end of the day, happy holidays. You know the style though.
Christmas, he might get a gift. So, when I talk about a man when I mind this and man we play a game and I want to put them snap. We talk about real man, so we to get a gift, hands down. Every birthday I get a gift, every Valentine's Day I get a gift, it's only right. The man tell me say no one nothing love every year. For the past couple of years, I'm still buying something and I'm still appreciated. So ladies, when the man tell me say him no want a gift, I test him. Buy the man I give. If I even some t-shirt, some stocks, underpants, perfume, depends on the budget. I'm not going to spend somebody else say I broke on the broke. What you can afford is the thoughts that count. Buy the man a gift. If it's a good man you have, buy the man a gift. If you're a side chick and still a good man to you and good to you, them, buy the man a gift. Buy Macy's, $100 perfume, 120. Buy the man a gift. We're not talking about no bum man or no waste man. If you have a real man, buy the man a gift. And give the daggering after.
Pussy.
Can you give him daggering everything?
That me a talk about.
So you give him the gift, you give the daggering after. A nice lingerie or oh my man like it. One rope, pull it and drop it. Now buy yourself no panty this year. This Christmas. Yeah.
Tell them also when I buy the man a gift. When I buy the man a gift, you see, the pussy now, the fuck,
Yeah.
the night there,
Yeah.
and shirt on top.
Yeah.
The fuck right through, fuck good right through. We don't fuck sometime after the time, the fuck, when we have to put on fuck man boy. So when my birthday and get a gift, and then get the good pussy on top of it.
It's not matter any thought that count. Buy my pack of polo white tee. Put in a little gift bag.
Oh my
Dollar
God.
store have the gift bag them.
Sure.
Dollar store, dollar gift bag and go buy it for the man. Something is appreciated. Edibles there. Edibles arrangement about $60. Some cupcake. Something. Man to feel appreciated too. Blood class. Every day, pussy. Then if a man that's come with good son no wanted.
Right.
You know, so far, it's like the woman must start to agree with you. And Suko is the only man over here. There's such a crap. What's wrong with the Suko?
When
Girls up till like about blood clot, sex is a give. I watch you cure. I wish Sunday school and go learn. If you don't take good. The sex can be a gift, man. Sex is a surprise because it is a big surprise. But the view that more says a surprise than a gift. As you don't know where you're book up in a wrong am right shit.
Talk.
Yeah, like.
Talk.
Man.
No?
Yeah, and people agree 100 with fucking Jiggy because she makes sense.
100.
In a real life, Jiggy said it all. Yeah, she said it. She laid it out on the table, you know? Yeah, right. This, yeah. Sex ain't no gift. Your cunt is a gift, and his dick is a gift from God. Yeah? And that's a gift. But sex is not no gift. And somehow with the blood clot, my God. Who said do that? Don't do that when you're alive. How does that call me and disturb me? Yeah, Lava said that basically I answer the question before me even ask me. Sex is no blood clot gift.
Them dead.
Wrap up, buy something at the shop and wrap it up. Don't matter what it may be, as the Jiggy said. I don't think I'm going to the party because Jiggy said all. You get me? Yeah. How I go on?
Them hurt.
Them hurt, yeah, them are going to hurt because guess what? Majority of them a side chick, no shit. They side big. So them not too sure. You know what I'm saying? So them not get nothing from the man them. So what them a go buy too. You have to see with them, you know. Although them still a say, I'm my man. But man not give them nothing more than shell out them belly. Some of them to blood clot when the man them fuck them last night. And the sun hot and them come out to the man because some of them not inside bathroom and all. Them have to bend down in the dirt and pace it. Think them can get up in the sun then. Stop away. So we don't go back blood clot to the man. Then the boy never treat them like that. All the girl ever gonna tell them good money bad things. The dirty boy, talking children. It's true, people. That's my take.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Right, especially.
Wait, come over, Yafa. Yo, never black here. Never black here. Where you come over, Yafa?
Rika, where do you say I am? Yo, I'm a black this. But how it is?
Rika, come over, Yafa. Me tell
Rika, so that I know when me are like 16.
So you remember?
Huh?
You remember?
Not. I'm done, Rika, I'm done.
The boys who could just attack up about the things over here say, yeah.
Me, but me not think they're so cool. The last man I fuck at 9 months ago. Right? And him called me out of nowhere today and said, Rika, open your door and bring me a gift. Suko, I don't need to tell you what it is. Because Suko, at the rate where we are go, me and you in the same boat. Right? But you better than me, Suko. Because there's me body now, me the bad. But Suko, me can't recall one day when me and 7 man. Suko, you're better than me. Suko, you're better than me.
Dante.
That girl called Suko. That girl. I mean, you for add all along. Fucking idiot. I love when you chat a lot of people. I love you. Dirty Suko come over here, DeMarco, and say, I fuck one heap of people. I'm say, anybody when me fuck them walk behind me. When I realize DeMarco never over here, all of them fuck them walk behind me. When I see DeMarco reach over here, yeah, I'm going to call your name and you reach back over here. Walk behind the good fuck girl when named Sharika. Yeah, DeMarco, add DeMarco now. Yeah, DeMarco, only 5 years that when you know that pussy are good. Yeah, let's not talk about the BMW when we used to drive in night and the people used to go on. Yeah, right there, so pick up yourself, dumb artist, pick up yourself, a friend.
Okay.
No, you know that. But automobile, but you have to come. One like total people send them.
So, you know where I talk when I talk about a man when I mind this and man I play a game and I want to pick them slap. They talk about real man. So to get a gift, hands down. Every birthday I get a gift, every Valentine's Day I get a gift, it's only right.
The man tell me say no one nothing lava every year for the past